In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a broker on Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your real or demo trading account so you can start using MT5 with confidence. First, download and install Metatrader 5. You can get it from your broker's website or from the official MetaQuotes page. Install it on your Windows or Mac computer or on your mobile device if you prefer trading on the go. Many brokers offer a branded MT5 installer with their servers already preloaded, which can save time during setup. Make sure you're installing MT5, not MT4, and use the latest version for the smoothest experience. Next, open MT5 and head to the account login options. On desktop, launch the app and go to the File menu at the top. If you already have a trading account, choose Login to Trade Account. If you need to search for your broker or create a demo, choose Open an Account. These two options lead to the same place, but one connects an existing account, while the other helps you find your broker and set up a demo if needed. Now, find your broker's server. In the Server List dialog, start typing your broker's name. MT5 will filter matching servers as you type, such as demo or live variants. Make sure you select the correct one for your account type. For example, demo for practice or live for real trading. If your broker doesn't appear, double-check the spelling and reach out to your broker for the exact server name they want you to use. Then, enter your account details to connect. Type your login, which is your account number provided by your broker, along with your trading account password, and select the correct server from the list. Passwords are often case-sensitive, so enter them carefully. Click Login or Connect. Look at the bottom right corner of MT5. A green connection indicator and updating prices mean you're in. If you see an error like invalid account, verify the account number, password, and server match what your broker provided. If you don't have a live account yet, creating a demo is straightforward. In the Open an Account dialog on desktop, choose your broker, select Open a Demo Account, and fill in the required details. MT5 will generate the demo credentials and log you in automatically. This is perfect for testing order placement, charts, and indicators before risking real funds. That's it. You've connected your broker to Metatrader 5 and you're ready to explore the platform. Take a moment to confirm your connection status and server type, and you'll be set to trade with confidence.